Welcome to Neurolink Stillness. This is your space to reset, release tension, and reprogram your mind for calm and clarity. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let your breath become soft and slow. With each inhale, invite ease. With each exhale, let go of any heaviness. Your transformation begins now. Welcome to this moment of transformation. And as you settle into your space now, you can simply allow your body to find a comfortable position. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix. You can just begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing. Take a breath in and out. And with each exhale, you can release any tension you've been carrying. Take a breath. And with each inhale, you can welcome in a sense of calm presence. You might notice the feeling of support beneath you, the chair, the floor, the earth holding you. And you can allow that feeling of being supported to deepen, knowing you are safe here. You are held here, in this space of pure potential. And it's interesting how the mind can sometimes focus on what is not yet here, on what seems distant, and that's perfectly okay. For now, you can simply let those thoughts drift by like clouds in a vast, open sky, not needing to change them, just letting them be. Because underneath those passing thoughts is a deeper knowing, a deeper truth that is always present. And you can begin to turn your attention inward now, to that space within you that is always calm, always abundant, always connected to a source of infinite supply. You might imagine a soft, golden light glowing gently in the center of your being. A light that represents your innate wholeness, your complete and total enoughness. And as you focus on that light, you can begin to remember a time, a specific moment when you felt truly abundant. It might have been a moment of simple joy, a feeling of having more than enough, a moment of unexpected generosity, either given or received. Find that memory now, and as you recall it, allow the feeling from that moment to return. The feeling of fullness, of ease, of grateful overflow. Feel that sensation now. Where do you feel it in your body? Perhaps a warmth in your heart, a lightness in your chest, a sense of expansion. Good. Now amplify that feeling. Let it grow just a little brighter, a little warmer, a little more present. And as it reaches its peak, gently press your thumb and forefinger together, creating a powerful anchor, a neurological link to this state of abundant feeling. You can release the finger touch now and know that anchor is set. From this place of remembered abundance, the affirmations you hear now can sink deep into your subconscious mind, bypassing old doubts and planting new seeds of undeniable truth. I am a magnet for prosperity. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. My mind is open to infinite possibilities. I am worthy of abundant wealth. I am worthy of vibrant health. I am worthy of deep, fulfilling joy. I release all resistance to receiving. My heart and my hands are open. I allow good to come to me from expected and unexpected places. With every breath, I attract greater abundance. Take a breath. With every heartbeat, I align with the rhythm of prosperity. My very presence is a declaration of wealth. Money is a positive energy that I welcome. I manage my resources with wisdom and joy. I am a conscious creator of my financial freedom. Opportunities find me. Ideas inspire me. Synchronicity guides me. I live in a universe of more than enough. There is plenty for me and plenty for all. My success adds to the success of others. I am grateful for the wealth I have now, and I am open to the greater wealth that is coming. Gratitude is the vibration that multiplies my blessings. My subconscious mind now believes in my abundance. It seeks out and creates prosperous outcomes automatically. I am programmed for success. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more abundant. My bank account grows. My opportunities expand. My sense of inner wealth multiplies. I now gently press my anchor, thumb and forefinger together, and feel that original wave of abundant feeling return. Stronger now, more integrated. This feeling is your new default. You can release the anchor, and as you carry this feeling forward, you might begin to imagine your life infused with this new energy. See yourself making decisions from this place of abundance. See opportunities appearing clearly before you. Feel the ease of transactions. Feel the joy of giving and receiving freely. This is your natural state. Now, bringing your awareness gently back to your breathing. Take a breath. Back to the feeling of your body in the chair. Carrying with you this deep, unshakable sense of your own prosperity. When you are ready, you can gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle movement back into your body. And when you open your eyes, you will return fully present, refreshed, and aligned with the abundant flow of life. You will notice signs of prosperity everywhere you look, and you will move through your day with the quiet, confident knowing that you are truly, profoundly abundant. Welcome back.